Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin.
Miss Cosmo officially staged for the National Costume Show. Miss Cosmo excited to unveil the official stage for the National Costume Show at Miss Cosmo 2024. Which will take place at the Tung Nam Ecotourism Zone in Ninh Binh. This stage is a vibrant tapestry where the world's cultures intersect and harmonize, brought to life by the extraordinary contestants of Miss Cosmo 2024. Designed with the concept of cultural convergence at its core, the stage will showcase the rich traditions and nations across the globe. Each contestant will embody the essence of their heritage through their national costumes, turning the stage into a living celebration of cultural diversity, incorporating elements of a global festival. The events blend the timeless beauty of traditions culture with the modern spirit of global citizens. Contestants from all corners of the globe will not only present their national costumes, but also embody the interconnected world we live in. This fusion of tradition and modernity will create a captivating atmosphere, making the National Costume Show a spectacular display of global unity and celebration. We'll meet again on September 19th. With pride, we proudly introduce the creative and stage production team, Unimedia.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!